To charge your Nintendo Switch 2, there's two ways. You can simply dock it into the docking station, and a couple of seconds later, you should see that charging logo right there. Of course, your docking station need to be connected over here with the AC adapter that goes to this power brick that come with it. Note that it's not because it come with it that you need to use this one, because USB-C is a standard. So basically, if you have any other brick just like this one and you connect any USB-C cable into it to your docking station, you can't break anything. If the power brick is not strong enough, it may just not power on or charge more slowly. And if it's more powerful, it will just not use the max power that it can deliver. As USB-C is a standard, devices talk to each other to understand what they need as power. So you can use any power brick. So if you don't have this one, you can use, for example, this one that I really like, the Anker 747, link in the description. It's more powerful than what you probably need. It can charge multiple devices at the same time. If you travel, it's amazing. The other way to charge your Nintendo Switch is, like just right now, I'm using the Anker 747 with another USB-C cable. I connect it, and there you go. It is charging. So you can use the USB-C on top or the docking station, and both will charge your Nintendo Switch. So I hope this was helpful.